Hey guys, my name is Christine and today I'm making these super easy Christmas decorations. So grab some magazines that you have lying around because today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable origami Christmas trees out of magazines. If you're right-handed, start from the front. If you're left-handed, start from the back. And you want to use as thick of a magazine as possible because you'll get a much bushier Christmas tree. If you use a thinner magazine, you might need to make two and glue them together. This is the easiest tree you can make. It takes 1 or 2 folds and is easy for any age level. Start by taking the top corner and fold it to the spine of your magazine. Line the edge up with the spine as best as possible and flatten. Then open the page and press it all the way flat along the spine. Again, take the top corner and fold it towards the spine. Press it nice and flat and open it all the way. This will produce your first tree. For the second option, fold your magazine the same way you would the first one. Take the corner and fold it towards the spine. Then take your bottom corner and fold it up in a triangle to meet that folded edge. And press that nice and flat as well. Then turn the page and press the spine nice and flat. Again, fold your top corner down. And once that lays nice and flat, fold your bottom corner up. Then turn the page. And you'll be able to tell that the more pages you fold, the more volume your Christmas trees will have. You'll notice that this folding method for Christmas trees only makes about half a tree. So if you want it to be a fully round Christmas tree, you'll have to make 2 and put them together. Your intermediate level Christmas tree is also a 2-fold Christmas tree. Start by folding your page in half long ways towards the spine and flatten it out. Make sure it is lined up at the top and bottom edge because if it's not, this one won't stand up properly. Then take your top corner and fold it down towards the spine and flatten it out. Then turn your page open and flatten the spine. One more time. Fold your page in half long ways. Then bring the top corner down and turn the page. You'll notice this tree stands up on its own a little bit better because folding the pages twice makes them a little sturdier. And now for my favorite folding method. This is the hardest of the 3 Christmas trees. This is a 3-fold tree. This method starts out the same as the first one. Take the top corner and fold it down towards the spine. Make sure it is creased nice and flat and that your edge lines up really well with the spine of the magazine. Then take your folded edge and fold that towards the spine of the magazine as well. When you're pressing this flat, make sure you have a nice sharp point up at the top. Then turn your page and press it nice and flat. And here's the third fold. Grab that point at the bottom and fold it up. You will make a nice sharp crease along the bottom of the magazine. Then unfold it. Fold that bottom point in and then refold the full page. Again, take that top corner and fold it towards the spine. Then take your folded edge and fold that towards the spine as well. Turn the page and fold the bottom point up. Crease it, but then open the page again. Fold the bottom point in and then refold the page. You'll notice this method ends up with smaller, shorter branches than the other methods, but the tree will look more like a standard Christmas tree shape. It will stand up better on its own, and it will also create a fuller circle. When you're done folding all your magazines into Christmas trees, it's time to get your hot glue guns out because nobody likes a boring, undecorated Christmas tree. I'm starting with pom-poms because I love pom-poms. You can either glue your tree directly or glue your decorations and then pin them onto the tree. It doesn't really matter what way you do it. Can't forget to put one on top. I also think this one would look cute with some Mardi Gras beads. Now that's pretty. I'm gonna do something weird with this easy tree. These are the strips from the lint rollers that I used last week when I made my velvet Christmas stockings. If you didn't watch that video yet, I'll put a link in the description. But I like the colors, so I'm gonna use them on my tree. I'm gonna cut these square ones in half long ways. And I'm gluing them along the bottom like this. And I'm gonna glue these diamond-shaped ones to the top. That came out better than I expected it to. For my more realistically shaped tree, I'm gonna use this green ribbon and wrap it all the way around it. And I can't resist gluing a few gold Mardi Gras beads around the bottom. And since I didn't need the whole necklace to go around the tree, I cut off a little piece so I can spiral it on top. There, now it looks like a traditional Christmas tree. Watch out, because we're gonna get a little crazy on this one. I'm gonna use a brand new pack of feathers. I'm gonna glue these feathers to this ribbon. And then I'll wrap the feathers and the ribbon around the tree. And I have a little extra ribbon to play with. And I'm out of hot glue, so I think we're done. And that is how you build a beautiful Christmas forest out of a stack of magazines. The last time I made this project, I was in kindergarten and I only made one tree and I wasn't even allowed to decorate it because the adults took them home and spray painted them. It was so much fun to actually be able to decorate them this time. And even though I didn't go out and buy any materials to craft and decorate these with, I'm really glad I was able to find stuff I had around the house to make them look really pretty and Christmassy. I have to say I like this green and gold one the best for Christmas. I think it fits the vibe the best. But my favorite one is that purple and black one on the end, just because purple and black are my favorite colors and it has pom-poms and sparkly beads. So what else could you want? And this lint roller one over here is really impressing me considering it is actually made out of garbage. It's made out of trash. I should have just thrown those lint roller scraps away, but they worked beautifully for this project. Well, now you know how to make some origami Christmas trees out of magazines, so you can go ahead and go wild at home. I would love to know how your Christmas tree forest came out, so let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't already, and please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy crafting as much as I do with random stuff you have lying around the house. Thank you for watching my video, everyone. I will see you next week. Have a very Merry Christmas.